Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update BMW X5 software. First, you'll need a USB drive formatted to FAT32. Download the latest software package from the official BMW website to your computer. Transfer the downloaded files to the root directory of your USB drive. This process ensures your vehicle receives the most recent enhancements and bug fixes, keeping your driving experience optimal and secure. It's a straightforward task that anyone can do. Before starting, park your BMW X5 in a safe location. Turn on the ignition, but keep the engine off to avoid interruptions. It's crucial to ensure your car's battery has sufficient charge. Consider connecting a battery charger if you anticipate a long update or if your battery is not fully charged. This prevents any power loss during the update, which could potentially cause issues with your vehicle's system. Safety first. Now, insert the prepared USB drive into the USB port in your BMW X5. Access the iDrive system and navigate to the Software Update option, usually found under Settings or My Vehicle. The system will detect the new software on the USB drive. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm and begin the installation. Do not remove the USB drive or turn off the ignition until the update is fully complete. This typically takes about 20 minutes. Once the update is complete, the iDrive system will notify you. Verify the new software version in your vehicle's settings to confirm a successful installation. Then, turn off your BMW X5, remove the USB drive, and restart the vehicle. This allows the system to fully integrate the new software and apply all changes. Remember to check the description below for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your updated BMW X5.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.